Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 16th, 2022. We're going to talk about TDOC today, and it's showing some bullish signs. So I wanted to come in and show you all where I think the price in TDOC is headed so that we can at least be in position to win and profit from the move. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I simply show you that it doesn't take a whole lot just to figure out where price is going to go. So if you guys want to learn more, join me, join all of my day ones who've been supporting me since the very beginning. I want you all to participate too. Now you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing to the channel. All right, so check this out real quick. Did a video in TDOC right here on April the 29th, looking for the price to go down, and it did. Market held support around $28. The market did not come all the way down to 26. I understand, I get it, but we were able to at least profit out the market in TDOC 18.5%. You guys can see that right here. Okay, let me zoom in on the chart. So right there. Okay, so from April the 29th till May the 12th. All right, cool. Let's get rid of it, because this point of this video is to show you that the trend in TDOC is one of us looking for the price to go higher. Okay, so let me show you all what I'm looking at. Now we have now broken this horizontal line which I've created in TDOC. Okay, this area now will represent support. Okay, right here, $37.50, give or take, around this area. That now needs to be support. Okay, since we have now broken it to the upside above it, we now need to see the buyers hold it. If they hold this area, we know that TDOC is going to go up. Okay, on top of us trending off of this ascending line. So the market definitely is going in favor of the buyers right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's get rid of this because I want to cause too much confusion. Now you guys can see though, okay, this area right here is where sellers are impacting the buyers. Okay, this is where the sellers are selling their position in TDOC because price is not able to break above this area. So we understand that we need to be careful. Every time the price in TDOC comes up to around $43, $45, it gets rejected and price comes down, right? So here we are again. You guys can see right here on August the 11th, you know, we got some weakness. The volume came through pretty, I mean, it was higher than what we've seen the last, week or so, but the market went back up anyway. Okay, so what this represents is that the buyers are still looking to break this price up. This still tells us that the interest is still leaning towards TDOC going higher. This is what we're seeing on the chart. Okay, and I want you all to understand that charts don't lie. We can see that the market buyers are still in control of this stock, and not only that, you guys can see here that $35 is no longer, it is also support. This area here support as well, right there on 40. Okay, so keep that in mind too. Look at this on the 3-day chart. You guys can see that we've got 8 hours and 53 minutes left. And again, this is weakness. Okay, this 3-day price bar is weakness, but currently on this current 3-day price bar, it is not. So that tells us that instead of us being fooled by the market, we understand that the price in TDOC is still acting bullish. Okay, this is TDOC on a 5-day chart. And again, look at this. Look at this 5-day price bar right there. So yeah, the last 5 days we've seen the market go down, but we ended up there towards the up end of the bar. So that's a very good thing for us to see. Okay, so right now, yes, we are trading a little bit below restrictions. So understand that that's the risk of us not seeing price go up. We already know that. So when it does not happen, not seeing TDOC go up, we will understand why. Okay, this is how you're able to keep your emotions in check and understand how to act when you see these prices act the way that they do. We know why the market won't go up in TDOC. I've already identified it. So as time goes on, if we continue to see selling and weakness on the chart, we know that we may need to jump ship and minimize the losses. But what I'm going to do, I'm still looking for the stock and TDOC to go up, right? So in order for us to do that, we need to get in position. So I'm going to look for this stock to go up. Okay. Now, how high? My attention is right here on this weekly price bar. The low was around $50, right? The market's around $41 right now. We can see the market go up there towards 50. That's another 21% movement to the upside in TDOC, right? That's the first area that I'm looking for TDOC to run. Let me see. Yeah, that's the first price target is 50. Longer term, let me see if we've got a monthly chart. So longer term on a monthly basis, outside of 50, you may see it run to 55. Okay, so those are going to be my two price targets. Now the $55 price target, okay, is from a monthly time frame. All right, this is not like I'm looking for that to occur in the next 3 days. And definitely, as long as price in TDOC continues to trend above this ascending line, we're going to continue to expect the market to run up and continue to go higher. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back down to 50. I want to be a little bit more realistic. So that is it. I'm looking for the market to go up. Let me put this arrow here because I want you all to understand that I did tell you that if price does not go up in TDOC, we know why. Look at this. And then it might come down to this trend line and then eventually break out. All right, so that's that. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about TDOC. Do you think the market is a buy? Do you think the rally is going to continue? Do you think the stock is going to go up? What in the world do you think? Let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.